We got fairings in. See how they look. Um, I'm actually not too pumped about it, but we'll see how it looks. Get it open, get it out, get everything else together. Go from it. This is what we got. We got fucking plastics everywhere. New mirrors, LED taillight, blinkers, resistor, fucking servo buddy for the stupid exhaust delete valve, mirrors, brand new brake lines all around, plastics. Oh, what about this bad boy? Bad Larry headlight. We got more stuff up there, so we gotta start taking this baby apart. Get her right. I think she's gonna look a lot better. I'm not that happy with the plastics. I should have went a different route, but I didn't. They'll be fine for what. I don't have a show bike. I'm gonna beat the piss out of it, so I'm not really all that concerned. But yeah, I'm pumped. Give you guys some updates as we go. Shouldn't take that long. I mean, everything. I still gotta rip. I need a tire. I need both tires, so I gotta get my tires done. And I gotta pull my forks off and have them rebuilt. But this is a start. I'm about to strip it right now. Get the rectifier in. Get the servo buddy in. Um, Run to see if I got any other codes because I got a code right now for the servo. But there's probably more. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. So this is it. '06 750. She runs rides now. Besides the rectifier and needing the battery because of that. But I got all that, everything but the battery. But this is how she is. But she's about to be different. Got everything new. I'm gonna show y'all. Got a lot of it apart. I got enough off to get in here. This is the fucking servo motor for the exhaust valve. The last dude didn't even have it hooked up, so it just I, I know that's one of the reasons I was throwing a code. I'm pretty sure. Uh, so I bought the servo delete, and it literally just plugs in like so. Hold on. Bam. Bam. And that's it. I just gotta. Well, I could probably leave it right there because all this is gonna come out. So once this is out, have room, tuck that. Then I gotta pull the whole thing. I gotta pull the wires, pull that, get it all gone. I think I'm gonna cut that whole part out of the exhaust if I don't end up getting a new exhaust. I'll just cut that, weld it. Won't be there. But yeah, getting there. Got that in. Um, I gotta do all the new taillights. I gotta do the relay. I got one of them relays for so I won't have hyper flash or whatever the hell it is. But it's coming. Slowly, get it all apart, fix all the little dumb stuff, put it all back together. Right. Taking this thing off. Don't need it. Not using it. Goodbye. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get this. I might just have to cut it. Cut it down there. Cut it up here. Pull it through. There's one. There's the other. This is going next. Bam, done. Just tuck this in there. Should be good. See where we go from there, but that's what we're working on now. Pull it out. I just did this, but there was music, and it was loud. Got it off. The motor was up here, so it's gone. I just noticed that's cracked, so I'm gonna have to replace this fucking thing too. or weld it. I mean, that's thin, but we could. But yeah, got that out. Got the servo buddy in. Took out the stuff down here. I took this off, but I don't know if I should or not yet. So I put the bolt back on and left it because I don't really know much about that. But we'll figure it out. But it's over here. Look. Oh, this wire. It must be like a pound. We're gonna be like so much faster. So much faster. But it came apart pretty quick. Most of the stuff. I mean, there's obviously still a few pieces I gotta take off. The front I gotta get off. That clip's being a pain in the ass. But I'm not even gonna fight with it right now because there's nothing I could do. Looks like they had LED or HID headlight in there. I see ballasts and stuff. So, but that's going. I got like 3 of those brand new laying around somewhere. So, but the other headlight comes all set up, so I don't need to worry about any of that crap. But it's coming. I gotta do a couple maintenance things while it's apart. And while I got it open, I might as well just do the oil, do everything. I gotta pull the forks. My forks are shot. They dirty. So I'm gonna have them rebuilt. I found a shop that'll do it pretty good deal. Need a tire. Bad. But now's the time. Season's pretty much here. I would have been riding today if it wasn't all messed up. But actually, I'm lying. I gotta do the rectifier. I'm gonna do the rectifier right now too, so that's done. But after that, I'm done for the day. So I gotta do the rectifier on this. This is a dumb year because they say that it's not good to have this between the radiator and right next to the header. So they sell a relocation bracket where they spin it to the side, I guess, which is probably what I'll end up doing eventually. But for now, I'm going to take it off, make sure everything works, and we'll go from there. But it shouldn't be bad. I'll give you guys some pictures that video while I'm doing it. So I got it free. I got it off, but I can't get to the plug. It's up under here, so I'm gonna have to lift the tank, probably pull the air box, and do it that way. So it's not gonna be today, but we're going, and it'll be soon. I'll show you guys when I finish it.